It runs in the family.
Hey, it is I, Rocketman. Oh, wait. Not that Rocketman. This Rocketman. That's right. Rockett in the Morning, man. Hey, guess what? I am, where are my glasses? I am coming to Omaha this Friday, May 31st, and I'll be broadcasting live, just like the old days, Ray's Original Buffalo Wings at 120 South 31st. One night only. I'll be there with Pat and JT to promote and celebrate Elton John's new movie, This Rocketman. What? 20 years and you've forgotten me already? Well, let me take 2 minutes of your time and just refresh your memory.
Rockett in the Morning and the world's most dangerous audience.
When I was young, I've got an aunt who used to come over for Thanksgiving every dinner, or who used to come over for dinner every Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And she was born without a palate in the roof of her mouth.
Oh, get out of town.
Oh, no. And every time she would eat, the food would just come right back out her nose and fall right back down on her plate again.
Oh, my God.
And she would just keep eating the same food over and over again until she could finally get it small enough to where she could swallow it. I mean, you'd be sitting there with green beans, stringing out her nose.
No way.
Serious.
No way. Today's best music. We apologize for Rockett in the Morning.
So far, you have had you've done sleep testing where they pay you money to take sleeping pills and go to bed at night. They pay you money to have sex with your wife. What else have you been paid to do?
Got my butt drilled for $655.
I'm sorry, you got your what? Butt?
My butt drilled?
Your butt drilled?
Yeah.
Now, I thought you said you were in Seattle, not San Francisco. Okay, you're going to have to walk me through getting your butt drilled. What happened? I can only imagine.
So you guys are going to go all the way, aren't you?
Hang on.
They go in a little bit to the side where the buttocks is, and they go down and drill for the bone marrow, which benefits leukemia patients. And that's where the large bone mass is. And it feels like you've been kicked in the ass by a horse.
Feel-good kind of feeling.
Now, Ed, now that sounds like a topic on this show. Would you let somebody take a Black & Decker drill and drill you in the ass for $650? I love this country.
There must be lots of reasons to listen to this show, and so I thought I'd string them all together. Here we go. Rockett in the morning up till 9. Call him on the phone and you speak to Sunshine. Terry and Hannibal reads the news. Rockett in the morning shares his views on anything that anybody cares to call in, even though the subject can be quite appalling. I'd rather listen to the weather forecast.
Hey, I look forward to seeing all my friends Friday night, May 31st from 6 to 9 p.m. with Pat and JT. There'll be drink specials and food specials. We'll be broadcasting live. It's going to be a hoot, and we're all there to celebrate Rocketman. Many thanks to our sponsors, Ray's Original Buffalo Wings, Bellevue Travel, Ramada Plaza, and Marcus Majestic Cinema. I really hope you'll come out. I want to meet some new friends, see some old ones. See you Friday.